Has this happened to you? You've submitted an application to EverBank, maybe for a new high-yield savings account or a CD, and now you're stuck in the waiting game, constantly wondering, what's the status? It's a common feeling. You want to know if everything is moving forward smoothly, or if EverBank needs more information from you. Well, good news. Checking your application status doesn't have to be a mystery. EverBank provides a few straightforward ways to get the answer you need. In this quick guide, we're going to walk you through the simple steps so you can get an update and move on with your day. There are two primary ways to check in on your EverBank application, online or by phone. First, the easiest option is typically online. If you applied through their website, you may have received a confirmation email that includes a link or an application reference number. If you can, check for an applicant-specific portal or a secure message center within your EverBank online profile, assuming you have one or created one during the application process. Look for a section often labeled Application Status or Client Communications. This is where EverBank will often post updates, requests for additional documents, or the final decision. Now, if you can't find a clear online path, or if you simply prefer talking to a person, the best method is to call the EverBank Client Solutions team. You'll want to have some personal details ready to help them quickly pull up your application. This usually includes your name, date of birth, and possibly your social security number, and definitely any application reference number you were given. The main number for the EverBank Client Solutions team is generally 1-888-882-3837. Their client service representatives are there specifically to help with account applications and will be able to provide the most current information. Just be aware of their operating hours, which are typically standard business hours, Eastern Time. A quick summary. 1. Check your email for a confirmation and look for an online status link or message center. 2. If the online route isn't clear, call the Client Solutions team at 1-888-882-3837 and have your application details ready. Whichever method you choose, a status update is just a few clicks or a quick phone call away. Hopefully, your application is already approved and ready to go. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.